guys, Miss Charlie here with a little tutorial on a nail art that I just did on my nails, inspired by this picture here, which are a pair of pajamas that I got from Temu. I got the shorts and I also got the long pants and long sleeve shirt. I think they're so cute because I love skulls, and I did my nails to match or get inspiration from them. And I added some roses and stars in there, if you can see it okay. But these are nail stamps, real simple and easy, and I did a little bit of a marble, so I'm just going to show you what I did using these products. Okay, so the tools that I'm going to be using, I'm going to have these practice tips here I got from Amazon. I'm going to use these, about 3 just in case I mess up. And in my little box here I have stamping plates that I'm going to use. This is the one that I used on like this nail here, this skull here, so I'm going to use that. But I also used this plate here that has skulls on it. I used this one, and this one, and a few of these as well. And this is a Christmas stamping plate, but I'm going to use these stars, these little stars. And then I'm going to add a rose, because the pajamas have flowers on them, and I think skulls and roses is really pretty, so I'm going to use those roses. And I have a big stamper. This I got from Amazon as well. And it will cover the whole nail. That's why I wanted to get a bigger one, because I have smaller ones, and this one will cover the whole nail, especially if you have longer nails like me. Stamping polish, that's from Born Pretty Store, just a white. This is also Born Pretty Store, which is a black. And then these gel polishes here, the lavender and the pink from this brand from Amazon. And also this like turquoisey color here as well from this brand here, MEFA, also from Amazon. I also have a stamping plate that I'm going to put the gel polishes onto, like a little palette, my scraper, my little roller. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, a little roller to help with the stamping. So if you stamp it on there and it gets another part of a design on there, you can go in and roll it off. I'll show you how to do that. But I have my little roller. I also have my little light here. This is from this brand that I got when I bought some gels from them, and they sent this little mini light, which is really cute if you just need to cure things really quickly. So I have that, knocking things over. And then I have my acetone. I get this from the Dollar Tree, and it comes in a pump bottle, which I love, and then you can just keep refilling it. Then my little pads, I need to wipe off my stamping plate. And I think that's about it. Oh, and I have my little brush here to do my marbling with. I got this from Temu as well. It says Kolinsky. I don't know if it's Kolinsky, but it came in a set and it's really nice. And I have my little dapping dish over here full of alcohol. And then I'm going to be using my blooming polish from Neo Nails. So I'm gonna get that. I forgot to get that. So I have this blooming gel from Neo Nails. I love Neo. This is from their Urban Graffiti line. And then I also have their UV top coat. I love this brand. I have been using them for years and I love it. So I have both of those that I'm going to use, top coat and blooming gel. So first I'm going to paint the nail. I'm not even going to put a base coat or anything on it because we're just using we're just using a practice nail, but you would always want to prep your nail and then put your primer on there, your dehydrator, all of that, and then a base coat and cure. And I'm using this lavender from this brand. And I'm just gonna do 2 coats. Thin coats. Always go in thin coats with gel. Always cap your edge. We're going to cure that. Okay, so I'm going to add a thin coat of the blooming gel. I've already done 2 coats of the polish and cured. Just do a nice thin coat, because if you put too much on here, it will move around. So, you know, if you hold your finger like this, it'll all run over to one side. So you want to make sure that the finger is still pointing down, so it will run, you know, down. Can't see it, can you? Sorry. And I just put a thin coat of the blooming gel on. You don't cure it yet until you do your marble. So now I'm going to dip my brush into some alcohol. Then I'm going to go in first with the dark purple, and I'm just going to move it around because it will move itself. And just add some blotches. It will start to bloom. Piece of hair on there, there. It'll start to bloom. Then I'm going to add some blue. Got a hair on there, get off there. So now I'm going to go into this skull right here and stamp it onto the nail. And then I don't want this down here. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I don't want all that down there. So I go in with my roller and just take off what I don't want there. And then that's what I'm going to stamp onto the nail. There it is. And I'm going to clean off my stamper, the roller. Make sure it doesn't have anything on it. Make sure you go in and clean your plate, acetone, and a cotton pad. Okay, so we're done with this one. Now I'm going to use the rose on here. got part of a rose on there. See it? That's absolutely fine. And I'm going to go in and clean it up a little bit for what I don't want. And then stamp that on. Clean it off. Then I'm going to get out this plate, and I'm going to use the skull from here. I think I'll just use this one right here. And I'm going to use a smaller stamper to get in there. If you can see him right there, he is. He didn't come out very well, so we're going to redo that one. I'm going to use the bigger stamper again so you can see it better. Because this one's a little longer, you can't really see. So clean it off. I'm just dropping everything, I'm so sorry. Get out of here. And we're gonna go in. Scrape. And that one came out a lot better. I'm gonna go in and take off what I don't want around it. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then stamp that on the nail. And we're going to stamp that over here. And this is what it's looking like, the roses and the skull. And now we're going to add some stars. So that's it after 2 top coats and curing. Kind of resembles the design, but a little different. You have to work with what you have, but I like how they came out, and I like them on my nails as well, how they came out. I don't know why it's looking so dark on camera. I don't know, with the white background, but you can see it on my nails, how they look, and I did different design on different nails, but they came out really, really cute, I think. And this was just an inspiration because I thought those pajamas were so cute, so I was like, hey, I'm just gonna do my nails similarly. So it came out really nice. I enjoyed it. So I thank you all for being here. Appreciate you. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tutorials. I'll have some fall ones coming up soon, maybe some Halloween. Make sure to follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.